How to check Steam reason. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to find out how we can check Steam reasons. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So for that, you can open up Steam on any of your devices and you should be finding this interface on the screen with lots of games. So what you need to do next is, from this interface you need to tap on your profile at the top right corner. And when you do that, this menu appears. So from the menu, you need to go ahead and look for the option that says account details. Go ahead and tap on account details and it will lead you to the space. So all you need to do in order to check your reason is you can scroll a bit and you should be finding a section with country. So that is your reason. So if you want to change or update your store country, you can tap on this option. But for now, since we are only looking how to check our Steam reason, you can follow up these methods and find out in which reason your Steam is located. So that is it for now. That is how you check Steam reason. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.